Welcome students to our new YouTube channel Pharmatech, the division of excellence. In today's video, we will see the medicines by its therapeutic classes, and in pharmacy, the pharmacy students also know the what is drug and their therapeutic classes and the drug interaction, side effects, adverse effects, and pharmacology of these drugs is important for pharmacy student. So there are 2 to 3 lakh drugs, and there are few therapeutic classes for these drugs. So let's start to this video. The first therapeutic class, which is anti-diabetic, we see in this there are few classes, subclasses in this. That means human insulin basal, and second human insulin premix, third human insulin rapid, fourth human insulin and analogs, six insulin analog basal, seven insulin analogs rapid, eight oral antidiabetics, and last other drugs used in diabetes. So we start with human insulin premix. In human insulin premix, there is only one injection is common, that means Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection. This injection is used, and this injection the prescription is required, and this injection is disposable pen of 3 ml solution for injection, and the manufacturing company is Sanofi India Limited, and the salt composition is human premix 100 international unit. Then let's see the side effects of Insuman solution for injection. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Consult your doctor if they persist or if you are worried about them. Then common side effects of Insuman: rashes, then second injection site allergic reaction, third lipodystrophy, that means skin thickening or pits at the injection site, fourth is itching, and five is hypoglycemia, that means low blood glucose level. Then how to use Insuman solution for injection. Your doctor or nurse will guide you how to use this medicine. Then how Insuman solution for injection works. Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection is fast acting insulin which starts working within 10 to 20 minutes after injecting. It works similar to the insulin produced by the body. Insulin facilitates reuptake of glucose in muscle and fat cell and also blocks the release of glucose from the liver. Next, we see the safety advice. First, the alcohol, then consult your doctor. It is not known whether it is safe to consume alcohol with Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection. Please consult your doctor. Then, in pregnancy, information regarding the use of Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection during pregnancy is not available. Please consult your doctor. Then third, breastfeeding caution. Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection should be used with caution during breastfeeding. Breastfeeding should be held until the treatment of the mother is completed and the drug is eliminated from her body. Then fourth, driving. It is not known whether Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection alters the ability to drive. Do not drive if you experience any symptoms that affect your ability to concentrate and react. Then next, kidney. There is limited information available on the use of Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection in patients with kidney disease. Please consult your doctor. Then liver, there is no data available. Please consult your doctor before consuming the drugs in Then next, what if you forget to take insuman solution for injection? If you have missed a dose of insuman 100 international unit solution for injection, your blood sugar level may become too high. That means hyperglycemia. Then check your blood sugar and then take the next dose accordingly. Alternative brands. There are no such alternative brands found to this medicine. The next, quick tips. First, take it 15 minutes before a meal or within 20 minutes after starting a meal. Hypoglycemia, that means low blood sugar level, is a common side effect. Monitor your blood sugar level regularly. Injection sites must be rotated to prevent hard lumps from developing at one site. Injection below the skin of the abdomen results in faster absorption than other injection sites. Opened vials or cartridges stay good at room temperature for up to 4 weeks, while unopened vials must be placed in the refrigerator in 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. Do not use if the preparation is no longer clear and colorless or if contains particles. Always carry some sugary food or fruit juice with you in case you experience hypoglycemia symptoms such as cold sweats, cool pale skin, tremors, weakness and anxiety. Fact box. The habit, it is non-habit forming. The therapeutic class is anti-diabetic. The action class is insulin analog. The action is rapid acting. Then the interaction with drugs. Taking insulin with any of the following medicine can modify the effect of either of them and cause some undesirable side effects. The first, interaction with amyloride brands Amior. There is serious interaction amyloride with insuman 100 international unit solution. Then second, beclomethasone brand Becoride Rhinase Bivent. There is serious interaction with this drug. And third, betamethasone. The brand is Densol, Catrisol and Betafort. There is serious interaction with betamethasone and insuman 100 international unit solution. The next is chlorthalidone. There is serious interaction between chlorthalidone and insuman 100 international unit solution. The brand is Clornol. Then next interaction is insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Amior 5 mg tablet. There is no significant interaction, but if higher dose of amyloride are used along with human premix, it is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly. The next, insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 100 HFA inhaler. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. The next, human 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 200 HFA. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. Then next, insuman 100 IU solution for injection and Biclet Aquanase. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. The next is insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 50 HFA inhaler. The interaction is, it is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. The next, insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Bivent 100 mcg escapes. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. Then next, Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Bivent 200 mcg escapes. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar level have been seen in some patients. Then next, human Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 50 mcg inhaler. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar level have been seen in some patients. The next, Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 200 CFC free inhaler. That means chlorofluorocarbon free inhaler. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. Then last interaction is Insuman 100 international unit solution for injection and Biclet 100 Rotacap. It is recommended to monitor the blood glucose level regularly as cases of high blood sugar levels have been seen in some patients. So the end of this video, and the review the lesson. In this video we will study the side effects, adverse effects, safety advice and interactions of Insuman 100 IU solution in this video. So the next video we will see the drug class human insulin basal, and there are 30 drugs in this subclass. So we will study one by one in next video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome students to our new YouTube channel Pharmatech, the Division of Excellence. In today's